Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand what is drill through in Power BI. So let's go on the canvas of Power BI. We will create two visuals, one on page 6 and another on page 7. So on page 6, let's activate the funnel chart. In category, we will select subcategories. In values, we will select profit. Our funnel chart is ready. Now go on page number 7. Let's say this is our targeted page. So in page 7, we are going to create the pie chart. In legend, select the region. In value, select the sales. The next thing which you have to do is click on this canvas. Add drill through fields option will get activated. Make sure that you are on page 7 as it is your targeted page. So pick up the subcategory and drop it here. Now go on page 6 and click on any subcategory. Right click on it, drill through page 7. So if you select phones here, it will be reflected on the pie chart on page 7. Just see here. Let's go back. Page 6, binders, drill through page 7 is reflected here on page 7. So this was all about uh, drill through in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.